Dear learners, welcome back to our educational channel Learn and Educate. We would be studying about the definition of public administration, which is defined by Marshall Edward Demock and Gladys Ogden Demock, wherein Marshall E. Demock was a renowned American political scholar, scientist, public administrative scholar who contributed significantly for the theory and the practice in the field of public administration. Public administration, like the study of politics, it is the study of public administration, wherein what the people want through government and how they get to it. Moreover, in addition to it, administration also emphasizes principles about what the government does and about the management and principles of administration. Thus, public administration is concerned with what government does and is it with how it does it. They further adds noted that public administration is the area of study and the practice where law and policy are recommended and they are carried out. The key aspects of the definition are what people want and how they get it, which means that public administration focuses on the goals, on the value, on what are the demands of the public, what people wants, what are the needs of the public, which what people wants, and the governmental methods, what are the systems and the procedures used by the government to fulfill these aspirations, which means that what people wants and how they get it. These are the key aspects from the definition of democ and democ. It includes the understanding of public needs, the designing the policy, allocation of resources, the actual service delivery through the administrative actions. It emphasizes on the methods and practices wherein public administration studies the policies, the management, and applies the techniques of management, including the planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, reporting, budgeting, which is the procedural aspects of how, which ensures government programs are executed effectively and in a manner which is responsive to the public. Therefore, emphasizing on the methods of management, the procedures, and how the procedural aspects would be done, which ensures that government programs are executed effectively and in a manner which is responsive to the government, to the public, which in general is concerned with the delivery of the services what people wants and how they get to it. There is an interlinking of how the law and policy with administration are concerned, wherein the democ and democ highlights that public administration bridges the gap and creates law and policies that which shows what should be done with their execution and day-to-day practices of how it is to be done, making it both an academic field and a practical activity. Therefore, public administration is the study of what people want through the government and how the people get about it. Administration emphasizes the methods and the procedures of management, the techniques and the tools used in the study of management, of how they are going to get it. It is concerned about the law and policy with the administration, which shows what should be done and the execution, how it is to be done. The detailed analysis of the definition shows that public desires and government's action. There is a desire of public and government takes action to fulfill what the public wants. Administration translates society's collective desire into actionable government programs. It balances the popular demands and political mandates, which makes it available resources. Therefore, administration translates society's collective desire into actionable government programs. The study of methods and management. It is not just about what the government does in terms of policies, law, services, but the management, the science behind how these tasks are accomplished, including the structure and the efficiency of bureaucracy, wherein the study of management and the methods with which the government does and how it accomplishes the task, and it includes the structural aspects of the bureaucracy, the policy, law, practice, which is the whole complete nexus. Public administration is a crucial interface between the policy formulation, what is ought to be done, and the policy implementation, how it is to be done, what ought to be done, and how it is to be done, with terms of policy formulation and policy implementation, which ensures the governmental intentions and realizations in practice. In summary, DeMonk and DeMonk's definitions. It underscores the public administration as a multi-dimensional aspect, as a field detailing in both ends, that is objective and the service end, which means that management and the techniques of the government, which is centered towards the public desires and the procedural mechanisms for realization of the public goals, which shows the what public wants, what people wants, and how they are going to get it. That is the public desires. The translation of the society's collective desires into government programs, into actionable claims, wherein what people wants and the government method systems procedure to fulfill the aspirations, which includes understanding the public needs, designing the policy, resource allocation, and actual service delivery through administrative actions. Emphasis on the methods, which means the study of methods and management, how the plans and policies are interlinked together, the techniques, the planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, controlling, reporting, budgeting, and it answers the procedural aspects of how the government ensure government programs are executed effectively in a responsible manner. And it is about the complete system structure of policy, law, and practice, which shows that the formulation of policy and implementation of policies, what ought to be done based on what people wants and how they get it, which shows how it is to be done, which ensures the government interaction and how it is realized in practice. Therefore, it is a multidimensional approach which takes into account, deals with both the ends, objectives and services, and means management and techniques, the ends and the means of the government, which is moves around the central point of the desires of the public and the procedural mechanisms, the structure made in place for implementation of this policy and procedure. Thus, the definition of public administration, as defined by Democ and Democ, is about the study of public administration, just like the study of politics, which shows that what people want through government and how they get it. It administration emphasizes the importance of methods and the process of management. Public administration is concerned with what the government does as with how it is to be done,